Right, we are doing a review on some fairy lights. In order to save a little bit of time, I took everything out of the box already. So it comes with a user manual, double-sided sticky, remote control. We'll be testing it out on the remote as well. And the control box, and you can actually use the control box to control it as well. So you have music, colour and on-off, and an IR sensor, this little baby here, for your remote. USB connection to a jack plug type connection, and the actual lights itself. And I do believe you can download an app because it's a smart one. So let me get her untangled and we'll give her a little test. This video is sponsored by SaharaGaming. I've teamed up with them to bring you a £20 discount on their all-in-one water cooling system. Check out the link in the video description for more details. This discount will only last till September 2022. After that, you pay the normal price. So with that, let's get back to the video. Right, first test is, will it work off my power bank? Let's find out. So on off, yes it does. There's a lot of wire in there as well. Colour, very good. Very nice actually. And music mode. So that will work with sound. So I am talking and that is working. So it's picking up my voice. So there must be a microphone somewhere. Probably in now. Hello, hello. Probably. Could be wrong, but I'm guessing it's in there. Let's try the remote. Already comes with a battery because it's got a little pull out there. So it has a timer on it. So you can do 1 hour, 4 hours and 8 hours. And music 1, 2 or 3. So 3 different types of music zones if you like. And then we have modes. Oh, I like that one. Mode 2. So we have 5 modes. 3. Oh, I like that one even more. 4 and 5. What's this one do? I'm guessing that will just cycle through all the different modes. I'm guessing. That's really good. That's very nice. Brightness, turn the brightness down. One colour, green, red, white. That's white. Oh look, you keep pressing it, it changes. Let's try the green. Nope. Nope. But the white does white and like an orange. Very interesting. Go full brightness or full dim. That's the lowest it goes, middle, high. This works really well, no issue with it whatsoever. Right, I'm going to see what app you need to download because there might be an app you need to download. So you need to go to the App Store and quickly download it. It's called Hello Fairy. Right, so I've downloaded this software and that's really easy. No need to register anything. You just download it and you can use it straight away. One thing to bear in mind, it will not find it unless you give it power. My power is turned off on my power bank at the moment, so I'm going to give you a quick example what I'm talking about. So it's finding nothing because it's not powered up. So that's it. I'm using a power bank for this little demo. As soon as you power it up, it's got power. There you go, job done. Really that easy it is. And it says connected, give it a second and turn it on. So really easy. I'm really impressed with this so far. It's got a few options here that you can use. It's got music, dimmer and settings as well. Your settings is really designed for setting up your timer. So if you want it to play for like an hour, maybe a couple of hours, it will do a countdown, and when it gets down to 0, it should turn itself off, which I thought was a good idea. So it's quickly going to go through these. So we have a tree. If you want to put it on a tree, I don't know if they're waterproof by the way, but you have a few options. Come back. Christmas tree, if you want to put it around a Christmas tree, there's quite a lot of different options here, and I thought, you know, you could have a lot of fun with this. I will set her up, and you know, maybe not to a tree, but I will set her up at the end of the video so you can see where I've set it up. I'm thinking about putting it on my stairway actually, up and down the banister, because I think it'll look nice. But yeah, looks very good. I'm not going to go through them all because, you know, you can explore yourself. Very impressed with it so far. Easy to set up, easy to use, whether you're using the app or the remote or even just this. Don't forget it can also play to music as well, and you know, it should just work. Especially if it's through the app, you might be able to play music on your phone and it will work. Or turn the auto off if you want to set your own colours up. See that? Yeah. Leave it on auto. Spectrum, again, turn it off. It's very good, nice to play about with. Definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're thinking about buying some LED lighting like this, and you know, you don't want to use a lot of electric because this should be energy efficient. Just gets lukewarm basically to the touch. Yeah, very easy to use. No issues. There's the timer, in case you want to know where the timer is. No issues with it whatsoever. Well, at the moment anyway. I found it to be, like I say, a breeze to use. Whether you're using the remote or the app, very easy to plug and play basically. Definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're looking for some RGB lighting, this might be the baby for you. So with that, hope you found this video informative, and I hope it helps you decide whether or not this is something that you want to invest in. Thank you very much for watching.